Okay.
Please take your time because I see you're visiting from Manitoba.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you drove from here, please take your time.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Till tomorrow 4 p.m., everything highlighted in green here, your pass will give you access to.
Oh, that's effective until tomorrow?
Till tomorrow 4
Oh,
p.m.
thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Take your time today. Enjoy as
Yeah,
much as
we
you
agree.
can.
including the parking.
Parking is completely separate. For Lake
Oh,
Louise, it's
separate.
$36.75 if I'm not mistaken. But for 9-hour parking,
Uh-huh.
afterwards, drive the 20 minutes past the village of Lake Louise itself on Highway 1 towards Field, British Columbia. There's
Wow.
Yoho National Park. Field in British Columbia is the town name. It's highlighted in green on the back of the book.
Okay.
Yeah.
Emerald Lake, Emerald like the jewel in Yoho National Park. I prefer it way more than Lake Louise.
Wow.
So please go.
What's the name?
Emerald like the jewel.
Oh, Emerald Lake. I will remember that.
If you don't go and I find out, I'll be very sad. So please go.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Ate, remember the Emerald Lake, ha? So,
Emerald Lake.
So alam nyo ba na may ano siya, may entrance fee siya na $22 para sa park na ito. Isa itong national park, very famous sa mga tourists. So ang bayad namin, itong buong nakasakay na to, $22. Hanggang umaga daw yung yung entrance fee na yon, hanggang 4 p.m. I-enjoy daw namin, tapos nagsuggest pa siya ng lake na bibisitahin namin dahil the best daw, hindi daw pwedeng ma-miss yun. So, magagaling yung mga nila dito, parang mga tourist guide na rin sila, yung mga nagtatrabaho sa government. Usually, yung mga nagbabantay ng mga gate na yan, yung nag-charge ng mga fee, nagtatrabaho yan sa government of Alberta. So, magagaling sila. Talagang, kumbaga, tinrain yan. Tinuruan sila kung ano-ano yung mga magagandang spot ng national park na to. At nagsasuggest din sila to promote tourism, kung anong magandang lugar ang mapupunta mo dito. At very friendly sila and accommodating. So, dun sa mga gustong pumasya sa Canada, I suggest, go to Alberta, Canada. It's really, really beautiful place.
Lake Louise, 70 kilometers.
Lake Emerald.
Ayan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, mga natutuyong puno. Ayan, nakikita nyo? Oh, wow! Sa back nun, tingnan nyo yung back nung yung view, ang ganda, oh. Tingnan nyo yung likod ng ayan, oh, sa likod niya, oh. Ate, meron pala siyang view sa likod, no? Ang galing, oh. Teka, buksan ko, ha. Tingnan nyo sa likod niya, meron siyang rock formation din. Sa likod ng mga punong yan, may mga rock formation din siya. Ang ganda. Para siyang limestone na sandstone. Sandstone, no, te? Or limestone. Yun, meron siyang rock formation, eh. Wala na yata, hindi ko na nakikita. Ayun.